everybody. Welcome to a Quickie with Miss B. John wants me to tell you it's Taco Thursday.
That's right. About damn time.
Not to be confused with Ta-Da Tuesday.
No.
Or Burrito Wednesday.
That's right.
There, I just said them all, so now I'm good for another year.
It's a Mexican feast. It's a Mexican feast.
I'm just saying. So all this week we've been talking about funny things that people say. If you missed any of the previous episodes, please go back and check those out. And as always, thanks so much for joining us. So today I thought it would be fun to talk about the things that people say in court.
That's a good idea. Now, I can only imagine. There's two temperaments. There's please don't put me in jail and please don't give me fines, and I don't care. I don't care.
No, I don't care. Yep. So today we're going to talk about court.
I have a funny feeling you would be both those people. I feel you wouldn't want the fine and all that, but if they pushed around a little bit, you'd be like, now I don't care. The Italian would come out. Now I don't care. Burn it all down. Burn it all down.
No, I had to be a what do you call that? On the jury. I had to do that one time.
Juror.
Be on the jury panel.
Did you like that? You get to decide whether or not someone did it or not. That's so up your alley. That's
yeah.
Oh yeah. You're like, I get to judge him? Wait. No, I'm in charge of his life? I'm in charge of his life? Yeah. Oh, rock on. Tell me what this guy did. I want to hear it. I want to hear it all.
And it was kind of funny because, like, when it came time to go to the room that they put you in and you look at all of the evidence and you talk it over, everybody was pretty convinced about what their decision was right away. And I was the one that kind of hesitated, which is not like me.
Really?
And the guy's like, well, what's the problem? And so, I told him what I had thought, and he's like, well, I can see where that would be of concern. And so we mulled over it again and talked a little bit more about it. And then he's like, well, what's your decision? And so I told him my decision, and, then we were done. But I wasn't the first one that was like, done, made the decision. This guy actually was. He before he even sat down, I think he already had his mind made up.
A lot of people are like that. They're like, I gotta go. I have to go.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta go.
Yeah. He was one of them.
I'm making $10 a day here. Are you kidding me? No
yeah. Way. He was. I don't know if he owned his own business or if he was in charge of a business, but he obviously had a pretty important position, and he was just like, gotta go. Let's get this done. Chop, chop.
Someone's life's in the balance. Who cares?
Mm-hmm. Yep. So no, in that instance, I didn't see or hear anything that was funny. But I do have some examples. This one's called Always Be Styling, Even in a Car Crash.
Oh, wow.
The attorney. Excuse me. Attorney, what gear were you in the moment of impact? Witness, Gucci, sweats, and Reeboks.
Gucci sweat gear. Oh, yeah, there you go. I like that. What gear were you in? Gucci sweats and Reebok.
You got to be styling if you're going to crash a car, I guess. Here's the next one. This one's, but what about zombies? The attorney asks, Doctor, how many of your autopsies have you performed on dead people? Witness, all of them. The live ones put up too much of a fight. Okay. This one's called Not the Bearded Lady. The attorney says, can you describe the individual? The witness says, he was about medium height and had a beard. Attorney, was this a male or female? Witness, unless the circus was in town, I'm going with male.
He said it was a guy. It was a guy. Yeah, wow.
Obviously, the attorney was not paying attention on that one. This next one's called Maybe It's a Family Name. The attorney says, can you tell us what was stolen from your house? The witness says, there was a rifle that belonged to my father that was stolen from the hall closet. The attorney, can you identify the rifle? Witness, yes, there was something written on the side of it. Attorney says, and what was that? Witness, Winchester.
Wow. That's somebody who doesn't know anything about firearms.
I'm going with no. This one's good. This one's called Ask a Stupid Question, Get a Stupid Answer. Attorney. Now, doctor, isn't it true that when a person dies in his sleep, he doesn't know about it until the next morning?
Wow.
I couldn't even get through the sentence without laughing. Witness, did you actually pass the bar exam? I gotta say that's a legitimate question in regards to that, because what the?
Yeah, but boy, that attorney just changed the entire jury's thought process on him.
Yeah. Probably not.
Well, you could turn right around, look at the jury, and go, "Watch out for this one."
This one's called I Think We Have Our Answer. Attorney, sir, what is your IQ? Witness, well, I can see pretty well, I think.
Why would an attorney ask what your IQ is? What's your IQ? Higher than yours, obviously.
Oh, and on that note, we need to take a break. We'll be back in a moment. Welcome back, everybody. You're listening to A Quickie with Miss B. If you missed the first half of the episode, please go back and check that out. All this week, we're talking about things people would say, and today we're talking about what they would say when they're in court. Or maybe it should be examples of what not to say and ask.
Yeah, some of those are, and so far the lawyer ones are pretty stupid. The lawyers are dumb.
Okay, the next one's called Walked Into That One. Attorney. Does this, I can't remember what the name of it, he's asking about a disease, and does it affect the memory at all? And the witness says yes. And what does it affect in your memory? Witness, I forget. And then the attorney goes on to ask, you forget? Can you give us an example of something you forgot?
Wow. Yeah, your IQ.
This one's called You Won't Find It on the Map. Attorney says, doctor, did you say he was shot in the woods? Witness, no, I said he was shot in the lumbar region.
It's like he's from Maine. I was shot there in the lumbar region. Yeah. Out in the woods there, yeah.
Next one said, let the record show the witness is a bad lay. Attorney, are you sexually active? Witness, no, I just lie there. Like lie, L-I-E.
Wow. 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 Wow, that is really bad.
Next one is attorney, did you blow your horn or anything? Witness, after the accident? Attorney, before the accident? Witness, sure. I played for 10 years. I even went to school for it.
Oh, wow. Wow.
You can't make this up. Oh,
Wow.
Oh my goodness. This one's called Say My Name. Attorney, what was the first thing your husband said to you when he woke up that morning? Witness, he said, where am I, Kathy? Attorney, and what did he say that upset you? Witness, my name is Susan.
Yeah.
That's grounds for an instant divorce.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. I like that. Where am I, Kathy? Obviously not at home. I'm your wife, Susan. So there's that. Yeah.
This person decided that he was going to represent himself.
Oh,
The accused.
That's always a good idea. The judge loves those people. Yeah. Let me give you all kinds of special rights here because you're stupid. All right. Although some of those attorneys you've been quoting haven't been much smarter.
Well, he's not a very smart criminal. Let me just put it that way. So they're in court, and it's his turn to ask questions.
Yep.
So he says to the witness, did you get a look at my face when I stole your purse?
Wow. Admission of guilt. Thanks.
He was later found guilty and sentenced to 10 years in jail.
Yeah. Gee, I wonder how that happened. You imagine him? I was represented poorly. Who represented you? What lawyer was that? I don't want him. That was me. That was me. I was doing the representing on my own representation. So there's that.
And the last one I think I have on the list is this one. Just Making Sure, it's called. The attorney asks, how was your first marriage terminated? Witness, by death. Attorney, and by whose death was it terminated? Witness, take a guess.
Wow.
Did you really have to ask that question?
Wow, that is a stupid attorney. And who died in that one? I did. So you see, I can't be guilty, Your Honor. I'm dead. Boy, can you imagine being a jury on one of those? You would have no faith in that other attorney. That wouldn't matter. I can't trust anything that attorney said. Why? He just asked her, your husband's dead. Yeah. Who died? Take a guess.
I did find one more. This attorney was actually asking a question while in court. He said, how far apart were the vehicles at the time of the collision?
Less than a millimeter. There was that whole word in there called collide. It indicates.
Yeah. They were touching.
How far away from you was he when he smacked you in the butt? No, he was actually right there. He was touching my butt. So, yeah. How far away were they at the collision? They were touching.
And on that note, court is done. We are adjourned.